So good morning everyone. This is our sixth day and we are in Ooty. This is the main garden of Ooty. I'll forgot the name but I'll show you the board. This is the place where we are staying and just it's a walking distance, and I'll show you back. This is the main entrance where I'm wait, I'll show you. Yeah, Government Rose Garden it is. Yeah, it's in the middle of the city, you can say. And this is soil testing lab. Yeah, soil testing lab, and there is something of government. You can see there is hotel, some, but it's a nice place. You can see how it looks. Wow, so nice. So hi everyone, this is Rose Garden and you don't find rose, it's not possible. So this is the garden. Every type of rose you'll get to see. So big and nice. See? Wow, literally very big. And you get every type of rose here. See? Oh, that's why they call it Rose Garden. So this is the place. Everywhere you still end, you will get to see rose. Rose is there. And this is the way. So hi everyone, finally we reached to this railway station, and this is the queue which you can see for toy train. And we have asked people, they said ki you won't get tickets as, and the counter gets open at 8. So hello everyone, good morning to the another day. As you can see, it's very cold here, and because of oil, and that too I use coconut oil. So my hairs, you can see, and now we are ready to leave this place. We have already packed everything. Now we are leaving for Mysore. So this is Mysore day. So hi everyone, you can see this is Government Rose Garden board, and now we are leaving. And my car, you can see it's giving only 8 average because of hill area. And this is Ooty view, you can see. Now we'll be leaving for Mysore and we'll explore the places which we'll get in between. So hi everyone, it's 9, no, it's 10 o'clock, and you can see the view. Still you can see the dark everywhere. So now people are confused to follow map or to follow board. So hi everyone, finally once again we reached to this place called Mekawati.
Locks down natural.
But we are not going to stop because we have to go to Mysore. And
Hi, viewers. You can see how the road is winding down. We are every 2 minutes there is a turn. Actually, lesser than 2 minutes.
not
You can
even
even
1
see the
second.
map. Soph says it looks like someone was drawing lines, squiggly lines, while making the map.
True, it's very difficult to drive here because of this ghat is very dangerous. You can show to people, my viewers.
Yes. And there is many people overtaking in the middle of the road. Big buses and all are
Yeah,
overtaking.
lots of accident even we have seen show.
Yeah.
That beautiful. Okay. So hi everyone. Now we have reached to a tiger reserve. You can see it's Madhumalai Reserve. So Mecca, from where we need to take ticket?
No ticket. This is just passing through.
Oh, so we are passing through forest.
Tiger Reserve.
Tiger Reserve. So here So hi everyone, now we are crossing this tiger reserve, and just now we saw 2 tigers, but we couldn't take video because it was for very short time, and you can see this is dense forest, so it's very dangerous to drive on this road, but let's see.
Raj just spotted a deer behind this tree.
Not a deer, we have seen lots
Spotted.
of deer.
2 deers.
Lots of deer as per Raj.
Nahi, now 2-3 deer went inside that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now we saw quite a bit of deers as well.
Baby deer.
See? So
Baby
many
deer.
of them.
Wow.
Oh, we have
Wow,
never
baby
done
In a
deer.
group together.
Baby deer. Deer baby.
that.
Push it.
नहीं मैंने
We finally spotted an elephant in this tiger reserve.
पानी पीने आया था लगता
Yeah.
Along with his tiger family
Now
and
he can
elephant
drink
family.
water.
Sorry. Now he's going finished drinking water and he's going back home.
Yeah.
Baby na, he's like a so.
Oh, we found another gang of deers.
Oh, she
Nicely,
got attentive.
peacefully
लगता है someone is coming. Maybe
sitting
lion.
on the road.
Maybe tiger.
Or
Ooh.
maybe you.
No. So hi everyone, we have seen lots of animal. This side now we are leaving this preserve, and now police checking is going on that side. Let's see. So hi everyone. Finally again we are entering into Karnataka state,
all ahead.
and now again police will check us for everything. I don't know why they check again and again, but it's their responsibility. So this is, oh, now another tiger reserve Mecco. Another tiger is.
पुराना
So
भी
hi
उसका
everyone,
rush
you
भी
can see this car condition. It's 3 days old car, which people are saying got accident, and now the condition of car you have seen, and it's the same forest is the other reserve now on which we are driving car, and we were searching for more tigers. So let's see, I'll keep you posted. We have seen elephants, even as you can see here we can't park our car as lots of elephant even is there. So now you can see we are on the highway of this Karnataka, and now we are having coconut water here. So hi everyone, finally we reached to Mysore Palace. Now this is the entry. We have to take tickets, and so finally we are inside to this Mysore Palace. You can see. So you can see this view. Wow. Everyone, you can see this view, sitting place of palace in this view. Wow. So hi everyone, now we are taking exit to this Mysore place. It was a wonderful palace and now we are going back to Mysore. So hi everyone, this is main chalk of this Mysore. You can say now we are going to take Mysore Park. Mysore Park. Sweet, well-known sweet of Mysore. Actually, this one is expensive toll, and this lane we never got only while coming, or maybe we are coming from inside only. That's why. So this is the way we are going back to Pune, and now this is the first toll after Mysore. You can see it's 15 hours showing. So hi everyone, now we are on the way to Raj Singh house. You can see the time what my map is showing, and now we are on we were on some express highway, Bangalore express highway. Now we came to this place, I don't know which place is this, and I'm driving so I can't take so properly video, but still you can see Mecca is chilling and Sophie is chilling there, and now we are driving. So hi everyone, now we booked this hotel for today, and now we have ordered food from Ringa Ringa Roses, and you get this type of roll here, and Sophie is there, and this is our room. Now I will going to enjoy our dinner.